cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need.
Love these. So cute. But am I crazy about them? That is the question. I don't know. I kind of feel like I needed this bag in black. This is definitely my style, but I don't know where or how I would pair up this army green. I want something that I can, yeah, sucks. My daughter is in her dresses era, and I know she would love one of these. This is definitely up her alley. She actually has something with a similar bottom, so we're gonna get this one. So cute. This makes sense.
Every time I look into your eyes, I see it.
If I shipped this to myself, because I can already feel that, woo, this stuff is heavy. And my bags, is it in here? No. Oh yes, it is in fact in here. Exit only. So where do we enter? Right here. My hair's messy.
Ew.
Not ew. That's not nice.
Yuck.
Yuck.
Yeah.
That's not nice.
All I need.
I'm so hungry. I even have a migraine. It's cold as hell. That's a really pretty neighborhood.
Between those lines, every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
Just to get thankful that I had days full of you, before it winds down into the memories. It's all just memories now.
Don't you love when I come around? Somebody fill you up, then I take you down. Don't you love when I come around? Somebody fill you up, then I take.
Is coming to an end. I am getting motion sickness from the fact that I literally touched my face with some sunscreen. Oh, it burns. But anyway, taste. This is nice. See y'all later.
We raise our glasses, we reflect on the past year with gratitude, all the blessings we received, and we look forward to the new year with much hope, for joy, fulfillment of new promises, and good health. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Clink, clink. Cheers! Cheers, Joe! Cheers, Kaz! Cheers, Gogo! Cheers, Sekuru!
I've never drank yet so many cheeses.
I am beyond tired.
You say nothing's wrong at all, babe.
Girl, good morning. I actually need to do a better job of taking care of myself because why do I keep getting scratches and bumps? The other one's right here, and then I've got another one, not to flash y'all, but like right here, on the back, on my arm, and even here. Like, at our big age, we're being this clumsy? No. That needs to obviously change. So, just finished making brunch. I'm gonna eat now. I am still doing laundry. It's literally day 3 of doing laundry. I'm tired. I'm tired.
How long can you go, baby? That last to my body so crazy.
Personal fried stuff, like this body's not gonna get right until we do right. You hear me? But in the meantime, I already bought them, child. They're already in the house, so I think I should have used a bread knife for this because I've warmed them up and they're really soft. I'm not gonna add more butter. I don't know, the concept of just adding more butter on a croissant to me is kind of nuts because croissants are literally puff pastry with lots of butter, you know, and I don't know how I feel about adding even more butter. Be cautious, be careful. Now I know all of my daughter's nursery rhymes. And I miss Rachel, Coco Melon, Baby Finn. At this point, I should just be a K-12 educator. Why not? Baby, are you ready to eat? Girl, what are we gonna do today? Possibly finish off laundry, take down the Christmas tree and remove the Christmas lights from the balcony. Clean today and tomorrow because I'm going back to work on Monday. So yeah, I really love this wig. I don't know. I was thinking braids after these braids, but I feel like I need to, because these are so tiny, I think I need my scalp to rest. And also, I've had these in for almost a month now, and I still feel a little bit of tension because, you know, my one on the scalp, I've got a sensitive scalp. So Possibly this could be Valentine's. 30-inch bastard on Valentine's. Guys, I just love being a girl because I'm so hot. Like, my feminine energy is just peak. Okay? Period.
I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed in my heart, my mind, and my body. My body is